Optimizing your pulse-width Doppler. To activate your pulse-width Doppler, press the PW button on the control panel. Tap and drag your sample volume gate, or use trackball to move it to the target. Press PW once again to update your spectral Doppler. You can also activate your PW mode by pressing the update button, or you can tap on PW twice at the bottom of the screen. To adjust your Doppler gain, use your gain bar to brighten up or darken your Doppler signal. You can also adjust the gain by rotating this knob on the control panel. To adjust your scale, tap on Scale in your menu. You can increase or decrease your scale. You can also use the up and down button on the control panel to adjust the scale. To adjust your baseline and scale, select Auto at the bottom of the screen. For sample angle adjustment, tap on Quick Steer in the menu. This will steer your Doppler signal from left to right. Or you can find Steer, tap the increase or decrease icon to fine tuning. Of course, you can tap and drag the sample line to adjust the steer angle. By the way, there is a small area under your Doppler spectrum where you can also adjust the steer angle. To angle correct, here you can find correct angle, or you can use quick angle to quickly adjust. For SV size, tap these two icons will allow you to increase or decrease your sample volume size. To increase or decrease your speed, tap Speed to increase or decrease. To adjust your volume, tap Volume. This will increase or decrease your Doppler signal sound. By selecting Display Format, you can adjust the border between your B mode and pulse-width mode, making your B mode and your timeline image larger or smaller. Press Update button or tap your Update tab to toggle between your live B mode image and your live Doppler image. If you want to have a live image of both B mode and Doppler mode, or even color mode, turn on duplex, triplex here.